so excited to be back again, and I hope you're feeling good about pronunciation. We're also back with our IELTS questions. We're back with some other exam questions, and I know that you can't wait to talk about the answers to those questions. I first of all want to thank some of our Speaking Out Loud family that answered the question and gave me some very good feedback. First of all, again, Geraldine, thank you so much, as well as Diane in China and Errol in Turkey. Thank you so much for your feedback. Now, one thing that we had talked about last week, the exam question that a student asked me to help with was, while on vacation, what do you eat? Or what are your eating habits when you're on vacation? So let's start off with answering that question. And I think we want to remember, when you are doing a speaking exam, it's very nice to choose some vocabulary that's going to be impressive. Now, you don't want to use vocabulary that you're not comfortable with. It's okay to practice new vocabulary, and if you feel good about it, by all means, use it and get some more points for using vocabulary. But I also want you to remember, one thing that one of the examiners shared with me is, if you mess up, if you misspeak words, if anything that you do, go back, correct it, correct yourself, because you'll get more points for correcting yourself, because that means that, I'm in the thought process of learning more English. I'm so comfortable with it that I can correct myself. I know what's right. So calm down, relax, take a breath, and begin. Now, that question we talked about last week, what do you eat while on vacation? While on vacation, I try to keep the same eating habits, with the exception of sweets. I cannot eat dairy, so I enjoy eating lots of veggies and lots of grilled meats on vacation. I also enjoy cakes, cookies, or a slice of pie. I like to enjoy myself on vacation, and I try to have a little more fun with the cuisine depending on where I'm vacationing. So, speaking out loud, friends, what we want to look at here are two vocabulary words that are impressive but not over the top. When we said, with the exception of sweets, exception, excellent vocabulary word. We're also inviting them in personally by speaking about your eating habits and the things that you would like to do. Well, that was excellent, and it's an excellent question to get you thinking. If you would like to write in, send me an email, answer the question, ask me about different vocabulary. I'm ready. I really, really, really am ready. And I want us to talk about different vocabulary, different thoughts, things that are going to help you cross the line, things that are going to help you feel like you're getting better. What's motivating you? What's helping you to pronounce, to speak, and to practice? Okay, let's get into our pronunciation practice now. Now, this week we are going to be talking about the E, but we're going to be speaking in terms of okay, and also So we know that E can take on many forms, and it can be confusing. So it's great. It's a good idea to practice words, practice different vocabulary. The first word we're going to talk about is bed. 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 Next word, dead. Again, that E is making a sound. Dead. Dead. Okay. Number 3, said. Now, I know you're saying there's no E in said, but the sound is the same when the letters come together. Said. Do you hear the rhyming words? Bed, said. Kind of confusing in English because it's not the same letter, but it's the same sound. That's why speaking pronunciation practice is very important. Said. Nice. Okay. And head. Number 4, head. The H's also can be challenging because you want just a little air to come out. Head. Head. Great. Keep practicing. I know some of these can be challenging. That's okay. We're all here together. We're speaking out loud. We are pronouncing words. It's okay. Let's keep going. We're going to go to the sound that the E can make sometimes. First word, learn. Learn. And I think what's interesting about this sound is that you have the EAR. And so it's a very brief learn, not lur. Your lips should not lur. No, it's very light. Learn. Okay, great job. Next word, nurse. Now this is more where your lip shape will change. You're going to use that muscle movement. Nurse. You're going to see it's a little bit harder. Nurse. Very nice. Okay. Another one where your muscle movement is going to be challenged. Hurt. And you see the lip shape change? Hurt. Way to go. That's nice. Okay. Also, first. Now this is challenging because you're using all of your muscles, right? Your lip muscles, your jawline muscles. First. And then you're going to come back. Very important. First. Very good. Got it? First. That F can be challenging also. Okay, let's get into some sentences. Friends, don't be shy. Hopefully you're in a place where you're comfortable, you're feeling good, and you've done your breathing and you're ready to practice. Sentence number 1. This bed is soft. This bed is soft. This bed is soft. Maybe you're in a new hotel room. Quite possibly you get back from vacation and you can tell somebody the bed was soft. So it was a good vacation. Everybody likes to rest on vacation, right? Number 2, these flowers are dead. These flowers are dead. These flowers are dead. We don't want dead flowers, do we? No. Okay, I said yes. Our word was said. I said yes. I think everyone likes to hear that, right? I said yes. You accepted the position. Maybe you accepted a proposal and you want to tell everyone in your office, I said yes. Very, very exciting. He has no hair on his head. We're practicing the H's. Make sure you're just blowing a little air. He has no hair on his head. Lips didn't touch the whole time. Take a breath. He has no hair on his head. Very good. Let's try it one more time. He has no hair on his head. There you go. Let's keep going. I will learn English. I will learn English. I will learn English. Especially with the speaking out loud friends. I will learn English. Everyone's working hard to pass the test. Everyone's trying to learn English so that they can get another position at work, a higher position at work. What are you going to tell your boss? I will learn English. And you're going to have all the tools, right? Next sentence. Please call the nurse. Please call the nurse. Please call the nurse. Very important. Maybe you're in a foreign country and you need to say, please call the nurse. Very important statement. That is a very important statement. Please call the nurse. My finger is hurt. My finger is hurt. Okay, friends, now, my finger is hurt. My finger is hurt. My finger is hurt. I hope you're doing okay with the H's. Remember, you're breathing out just a little. Hurt. Hurt. Good. Last one. I will sit in the first seat. I will sit in the first seat. I will sit in the first seat. Very nice. Now, as we're reading, what I'm trying to do is begin slow and then speed up. So the next time you play this video, that's something you can challenge yourself to do. Feel good about what you're saying and your pronunciation. And then afterwards, after you feel good about it, speed up. I will sit in the first seat. I am so proud of each and every one of you. Learning a new language is not easy, especially when you are practicing for a job interview, practicing for the Toeic or the IELTS exam. It's not easy. But once again, fortunately, Cambly is a great site for practicing your English. Practice, speak with people. I personally love speaking with people and using those supports to help with business English, conversational English. All of the vocabulary that we spoke about today is excellent for conversational English. Okay? Now, maybe next week we might dive into some business English. I would like to hear your questions about interview questions. We speak a lot about that. How do I answer interview questions? What if I can't understand? Those are very good questions. And that's why I'm here. That's why we have a Speaking Out Loud community. So we can talk to each other and we can figure it out. Okay, let's jump into our next question. This is the question we're going to work on, and hopefully you'll email me your questions or email me your answers so we can talk about it, and we can talk about how long should your answers be when you're speaking. There are some sections when you answer the question, you need to speak for 1 minute. There are also sections where you need to speak for 3 minutes. So that's something I would like to talk about. How can I be comfortable speaking for 3 minutes? You can do it. I know you can, especially when we're practicing together. Okay, question for next week. Did you have a favorite teacher in school? And what made them so special? Question, did you have a favorite teacher in school? And what made them so special? Once again, the question in the exams, the speaking questions, they're made to really help you to think about things that are personal to you, things that are going to make you want to talk. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. Please, please turn on the video, practice in the morning, or practice in the evening, or listen on the way to work. You can do it. I would love it if you could like the video, share it, subscribe, so you won't miss a week. I know you don't want to, because I don't want to miss you. I have so much fun with these videos, and I sincerely hope that I'm helping. Friends, I know how hard it is to learn another language. Just for conversational purposes, speaking test purposes, all of those things, or moving up to the next level at work. But you're not alone. We're doing this together. Again, email me. Tell me how you feel. And also, let me know, would you like to work more on conversational English? Would you like to work more on business English? Please let me know. I have had such a good time here. Thank you. And once again, subscribe so that you don't miss another video. Okay? I'll see you again next week.